Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be sharing swatches of the Essence Gel Nail Polish collection, but only of the brighter kind of pink colors. These are 6 shades which are actually my favorites pretty much from this collection. Of course there are a ton of other colors because there are 45 new shades. I have done a video on all 45 new color swatches and all, so if you're curious about all of them, definitely check that video out. But I've also just recently did one of the sheer polishes that Essence actually marked themselves as being sheer. So just to build them up with like 2 or 3 coats to see what they're capable of and for you to see what you actually like most. So yeah, if you haven't checked that one out yet, do so after watching this video or just pause this one and watch that one first if you're more into sheer colors. But for now, let's just quit the rambling and get into this first color, because this one is number 7, Fairy Floss. These colors that I'm showing in this particular video are way more opaque. They are creamy formulated, so you need like maybe 1, maybe 2 coats. I did have a 1 coater in these as well, and these are actually the pink shades in the collection. There are some other pinkish kind of colors, but those are more on the nude side, so I decided to just stick to the true pinks and just put them in one video. So here are the 6 colors. But Fairy Floss, it is very beautiful. It is like a strawberry milkshake kind of color, very opaque. 2 coats is perfectly fine for this one. And yeah, let's just continue with the next one. The next one is actually called Bubble Rush. It is number 21. It is a really nice, soft, wearable, rosy kind of pink. I think it is gorgeous. I just love pinks. And if you've been hanging out here with me on my YouTube channel for like the last decade, you know that pinks are my favorite color to wear on my nails. I am such a girly girl when it comes to stuff like that. Like, in real life, people feel like I'm more of a tomboy kind of girl, but that's just because I have a very manual, heavy-duty job. I work with men only, pretty much. But yeah, I love my pink nail polishes. It's just gorgeous. And there are always so many pink shades available. I love it. But Bubble Rush, it's more of like a darker strawberry milkshake color. It's like one of those strawberry milky kind of drinks that we used to have a lot back in the day. Nowadays it's all like, ooh, it's bad for you, there's too much sugar in there. But it just reminds me of like being a kid and drinking those like strawberry milk kind of beverages. I have no idea what they're called actually. But yeah, Bubble Rush, really beautiful, perfectly opaque within 2 coats. And yeah, let's just get into the next one, because this one isn't like your standard creamy polish. Number 23, Pinktastic, is actually a very nice shimmery color. There is silver shimmer in there, there's purple in there, there's hot pink in there. There are actually also flakies in there, like very finely milled flaky particles, which I think it's beautiful, like really nice, a little bit more unique than just your regular shimmery kind of color. But because this one is packed with shimmer and glitter and flakies, it isn't as super opaque as your standard creamy polish that doesn't contain any glitter and so on. But other than that, I really do love it. I think it is pretty nice within 2 coats. It isn't perfectly opaque, but because it is such a nice shimmery polish, it doesn't really like bother me as much. You guys know me, I love my nails to be like fully covered, like with opaque goodness, but this one comes pretty close. I don't mind the fact that my natural smile line is peeking through a little bit still. If that is not something for you, just add a 3rd coat and you are good to go. It will be 100% opaque, but for now the 90% opaque is good enough for me. I think it's really beautiful, and also the more layers you will add of that color, the more depth and definition and just beautiful shimmery goodness you will see. Next up we have number 28, Flashy Fuchsia, and yeah, this has to be my favorite. Also, this one was the one coater. It kind of reminds me of the Flirt Frequency polish by Catrice Cosmetics that they have just released for their spring summer collection update as well. It is pretty similar in my opinion. I think this one is even a little bit more bright and a little bit more pink. I think the Catrice one had a little bit of like a purple hinge to it, but it comes pretty close. I might have to like do a comparison and just hold them like next to each other and swatch them on two nails next to each other just to see how much they differ from each other, but I think it is a nice dupe. Even though the Catrice ones are like 360 I think, and these Essence ones are about €2 a bottle. Like price wise you can't really go wrong with either one of them, but the Essence one is of course less expensive. Then the fifth color already, this one is number 22, Pink and Proud. This is one of those pinks that has a little bit of an orangey touch to it. It isn't like a true pinky pink. It is more of like a dark peach pink kind of tone, if you know what I mean. I really love colors like these. They're always popping, always like super fun, especially with summer coming up, but you can pretty much wear this color any time of year if you're not really looking into like seasonally bound colors. I think this color is beautiful as a pedicure as well. It's just so fun and summery, and it just reminds me of beach days or pool days or something like that. And yeah, I just really love this color. It was actually quite opaque within one coat also, so I just decided to do a one coater for this one too because it was just stunning. I was kind of blown away with the fact that Essence also, just like Catrice Cosmetics with their nail polishes, had a ton of one coaters, and yeah, I think it's a gorgeous shade. Then I'm already going into the sixth and final hot pink shade, or at least pink shade from the 45 new colors that were released last, I think it was February. This one is number 24, Raspberry Rush. It is very hot, kind of spicy. I like this color. I don't really feel like it is a true raspberry tone. I think it's a little bit too reddish, but it is really stunning. And once again, a one coater. I kid you not, like I'm so blown away with the opaqueness of these polishes, and just for like $1.99 or like €2 a bottle, you really can't go wrong with these polishes. Of course there were sheer colors as well, which I mentioned a little earlier in the video. I did a whole separate video on those, but yeah, it actually says so on the bottle whether or not they are sheer, but these were bomb. Seriously, it is a gorgeous color. Do make sure to wear a good layer of base coat to prevent your nails from staining, especially with these darker hot pink colors. They are staining the crap out of your natural nails, to be honest. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about these. If you want to see me do like a more in-depth video on other colors from the Essence collection, let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.